N- Now you can use Teamviewer in Microsoft Intune to connect to your PC, your MacBook Pro, your Android, or your iPhone. So it's kind of support all the devices. So in your Intune admin portal, just go to your devices and click TeamViewer Connect and connect to your TeamViewer account. If you don't have account, you need to create a new account. Otherwise, you simply logged in and now you are connected. And yeah, refresh your page. You can see your status. So if you want to connect to any device, click the device and initial a new remote support session in the end user device in TeamViewer console or in the Intune client console. You will see the new support session request. You can click allow the new session and then go back to your admin console in TeamViewer. You can view the all connected session and you can connect from there. You do need a new license to allow this